Hello friends, welcome to the Animals Wild channel. Today we want to talk about 9 amazing animals that you might not believe exist. So stay with us until the end of the video, and if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Number 9. Axolotl. This strange creature, known as the walking fish, has its own body parts. An interesting feature of axolotls is that they remain in the larval stage and reach adulthood without metamorphosing. This means that they retain external gills and live in water throughout their lives. Number 8. Aye-aye. This animal native to Madagascar, with its long fingers and big eyes, is one of the strangest mammals in the world. This animal has a long finger, by hitting the bark of trees, worms and insects are considered under the skin, and more interestingly, by means of this same finger, which is more like a piece of dry wood like a rake, insect larvae, and he pulls the worms out from under the bark of the trees and feeds on them. Number 7. Coconut crab. Coconut crabs are the largest crustaceans living on land. These crabs can grow up to 1 meter, but what has made them famous is their strength. And they are so named because they eat coconuts. Number 6. Pangolin. The only mammal whose body is covered in hard scales. Pangolins live in tropical regions of Africa and Asia, and the name pangolin comes from the Malay language and means folding up. Number 5. Sunfish. One of the largest bony fish in the world. It can weigh over 1,000 kilograms. Number 4. Echidna. An egg-laying mammal that resembles a hedgehog. Number 3. Water bear. A microscopic creature that can survive in very harsh conditions. The most striking thing about this animal is its ability to adapt to any habitat, with any degree of dryness or moisture, and they have been seen in places such as the equator, the Himalayas, and so on. Most of them are 0.3 to 0.5 millimeters in size, and the largest are less than 1.5 millimeters, and their speed of movement is so slow that they are known as chondros or lazy animals. These animals live in mosses and lichens, which can be seen even with ordinary microscopes. Kakapo number 2. The kakapo is a bird native to the island of New Zealand. This bird does not fly and usually comes out of its nest on the ground, usually at night. This bird is critically endangered, with about 65 of these birds currently in existence. In the past, they were abundant because they had no natural enemies. But now, after the arrival of Europeans who brought animals such as dogs and cats, this species is in danger of extinction. This bird usually lives alone. This bird goes to the heights of the mountains at night and digs shallow holes along the way. The kakapo sits inside these holes and produces a very loud and rich sound with the help of an air sac in its chest. This sound resonates throughout the mountains and valleys and attracts female parrots. Number 1. Lanternfish. A fish that lives in the deep ocean and produces light. Lanternfish are small fish that live in the deep sea. Deep sea sampling has shown that lanternfish make up about 65% of the total biomass of fish in the deep sea. In fact, lanternfish are one of the most widespread, abundant, and diverse vertebrates, and they play an important ecological role as prey for larger organisms. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.